Hello, I'm Mira Lee. I will be presenting the agency profile of FCB, otherwise known as Food, Corn, and Building. Here is the URL of their official website. It is a parent organization owned by Interpublic Group. Their mission statements are know who the brand is, make people care about the brand, and ensure the biggest ego in the room is the brand. It was founded by Daniel Lord and Ambrose Thomas as Lord and Thomas in Chicago in 1873. It is the third oldest ad agency in the U.S. It set up shop in the U.S. advertising capitals, Chicago and New York, and becoming the first ad company to offer stock to the public in 1963. It has over 120 offices in more than 80 countries, such as in the Middle East, North America, Africa. Those are some examples of their clients and brands that they are working on, such as Coca-Cola, Levi's, and FDA. They are currently promoting awareness of inequality, bullying, and imagination for compassion, and safety and disaster relief directives and initiatives from preventing drawing to responsibly handling hazardous situations, such as highlighting projects like Not Out of the Water and blood equality. If you want to contact them, you may do so at their main website posted below or through their social media, such as LinkedIn or Facebook. Here is an example of their ads regarding Down syndrome.
You can say almost anything.
Like, holy shit.
You just had a baby.
Shit, yeah.
Congratulations.
恭喜恭喜.
She's so cute, I want to bark.
Well, there goes your sex life.
You just squeezed out a human.
Does your vagina hurt?
I hope you are ready for lots of shitty diapers.
Yay!
Behold, the miracle of barking life.
See, you can say almost anything.
The truth is, the only bad word is sorry.
Sorry.
You're supposed to be celebrating.
Woohoo! So don't be sorry about a baby.
Be happy.
Because every baby deserves a warm fucking welcome.
As the book said, advertising often appeals to what is lacking in society. In this case, people lack compassion, understanding on those kids who has the Down syndrome, and people have arrogance about their ignorance. And this ad campaign has a seriousness brand personality. So my discussion question is, why is it important to be simple and brilliant and advertise the right combination of brand personality and honesty to effectively establish credibility to influence others? And that's all my info for my agency profile. Thank you for listening.